Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the question party of a couples. In a party of n people, each person is denoted by an integer. Couples are represented with the same number. Find out the only single person in a party of couples. Here the question is, for suppose there are in a party of there is a party occurring, and in that party there are couples, 1 2 1 4 4 and 3 2. Here 1 is repeating twice, 2 is repeating twice, 4 is repeating twice, but 3 is repeating single time. We have to find this 3, and here we are denoting the same number with a couples. These are one couple, these are one couples, and this is a single person. We have to find this. And here the time complexity is O of n and space complexity is O of 1. So we have to find the O of 1 space complexity. So here O of 1 we can do it using hash map, but here when we are using the hash map, uh, it showing it become O of 1 space complexity, right? If you use extra data structure, then it become O of 1 space complexity. We have to reduce this to O of 1. So I am doing in C++ and Java in O of n time space complexity. First what we are doing is I am creating one hash map. And map np is equal to new hash map int I is equal to 0, I less than n, if np dot contains key arr of I, then np dot put arr of I plus np dot get arr of I plus 1, else np dot put arr of I comma 1. Now we are iterating throughout the map. Here map integer I np dot entry set np dot entry set if I dot get value is equal to 1, then we have to return I dot get key. else we have to return -1. Here map entry new here for map where we did wrong. By that get value, get key, mp not contains key error of mp not get. Where did wrong? Here the entry spelling is wrong. Yeah, now it's getting fine. Here we are using extra data structure. So time complexity, the space complexity is O of n. O of n space complexity. We are using here the dry run is each time we are inserting if for example 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1 comma 3 we are inserting first initially its frequency is 1, then 2 frequencies 1, then again 2 is coming, then 2 frequency becomes 1, then again 1 is coming, 1 frequency becomes 2, then 3 frequency is 1. So the frequency of 3, the get if the get value if the get value is 1, then we have to return that get key, that value. In the same thing I am doing in the hash map by using the hash map. Same thing I am doing in C++ code is in C++ code is more easy. uh, Unordered map. Np of error of I plus for auto it mp if it dot second is equal to 1, then we have to return it dot first. Okay, it dot first. Unordered map int comma int. Here sorry, we have to change the language, right? Here I forgot to change the language. No, yeah, it passes. This is method 1 where we are using doing the problem with O of n space complexity. Now I am reducing it to that O of 1 space complexity. We are here, we are using the map. Here we are using O of 1, O of n space complexity. So by when we are doing with O of n space complexity, but in the question we have to do this problem in O of uh, O of O of 1 space complexity we have to do. So what I am doing is here we use the data structure hash map, so it becomes O of n space complexity. Without using any data structure we can do it. Without using any data structure we can do it. So what I am doing is, we know that we have the one operator, right? XOR operator. If one XOR 1 is 0 and 0 XOR 1 is 1, we have this operator, and XOR operator follows associative property. Associative property means if A XOR B XOR A XOR is equal to A XOR A XOR is equal to B XOR. So if A XOR B XOR C XOR D XOR A XOR come, we can interchange this position and it gives the same answer. So when the two numbers are comes, when here if 1 2 1 2 3, if it is come, when these two numbers are same, right? In the XOR operator, ones are 1, they are get cancelled because initially it is 1 XOR 2 XOR 2 XOR 3. So here sorry, uh, if it is 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, then we have that if 1 XOR 2 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 3, so we can interchange these two positions, right? 1 XOR 1, because it follows associative property. Associative property. Why 1 XOR 1 is 0? Because in binary representation of 0 1, same bit are come 0 0. If all different bits are come, it gives another one answer. For example, 1 1 1 0 0 0. This XOR is, if these two are similar, right? Then it becomes 0, and these two are different, right? 1 1 1. So the 7 XOR 1 is 6, like that. So we have this and it follows associative property. If both positions are interchanged, then it follows, and these two are interchanged, 2 cross 2 cross 3. So these two are 0 XOR, these two are 0 XOR 3. So it remains 3 only. So by using XOR operator, we no need to use any extra space. We can do it in O of 1 space complexity. In for both Java and C++ code are similar in this method. Only we have to do is int answer for answer is equal to answer XOR error of I. Answer XOR error of I. This is actual code. In previous steps we did with O of n data structure. Yeah, now in Java also, if we put this Java code are also similar. For loop is same in both codes, like yeah, it's working fine in all the methods. We did first with using hash maps in both Java and C++, again without hash map in both Java and C++. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comments, and thank you. And please do subscribe my channel. It motivate me to do more videos. Thank you.